Hi guys, since it's a beautiful morning today, we decided to go to a beautiful place in Haputale. Here we go. As you can see, this is the entrance place for the Calicut or Calicut State. There's a small tea shop next to the entrance. You can have a cup of tea and start your journey, or else you can return to this place after your journey and have a cup of tea. So we decided to start our journey first and come to this place later.
Hello. So hi guys, so we are here at Haputale Calicut State. Most of you won't come here when you came here, and this is like a paradise. I mean, the lovely places, every inches of these places are beautiful, and you need to target the morning hours before you came. Otherwise, during the daytime, it's going to be misty or kind of a cloudy. But here we are with my newly married wife, and also with our lovely environment here. And here we go to further explore the beautiful of my own hometown. And there are so many secret places, more than we expected. See you soon. Way more into the tea state area. I mean, look at that, everywhere you go it's beautiful. Everywhere you go, I mean, you have the lakes and everything. You have a friend over there, he's a little bit of shy, but kind of a bit shy to face to the camera, but hi. So it's a lovely place. It's going to be really exciting. We will go further. We'll see you again. So hi guys, here we are again, like another 800 meters downside of this lovely state. I mean, it's not just the state. I mean, you can see the entire view here. You should bring a bino every time you came to this location, especially up countryside. Especially in Haputale, you can have a 360-degree view. You can't find any place in Sri Lanka to have this kind of a view. We will show you the view separately. So here we at the, you can see the entire Haputale town, the Knuckles mountain side, and from that end, we can go further. You could have even met the Diyatalava military camp. I mean, it's a high security zone. We cannot go into that location. It's lovely here. It's lovely environment. People are working. The state workers are, they are doing all of their production. They are helping for the Sri Lankan economy. I mean, it's lovely weather today. I mean, you always need to wear a mask, but we can remove our mask and take a good level of breath. I mean, it's lovely. Everybody needs to come here rather than just staying at a hotel. Just come there and visit. So you can see different temples. These are small villages. You have the temple of Haputale and also the Yahalabad temple, and the small villages in between. There are Sinhalese, Tamils, Muslim, everybody was living there. It's a kind of a really diversified social and community. So yeah, so that's the one chapter about today's journey. So we will meet again. Yeah, going again. My lovely Vice is taking a small rest. Yeah, so it's going to be another exciting area. So we have every little bit of areas are beautiful here. So whenever you come, you need to make sure that you are not going to stay at your hotel room or your casino place. You need to immediately get on from your bed, wake up around maximum 7 o'clock. It's going to be really lovely when you wake up in the morning hours and take a video, photos on about the view and everything. So just make sure that you get up early, because around 12 or around 1 o'clock it's going to be bit the sunlight is coming directly above you. So but during around 7 o'clock to, let's say, around 10:30, 11, it's going to be a lovely environment. Mostly this time period there will be rain after 12. It's getting changed every time. We can't predict anything, especially in Haputale. That's one of the speciality in this microclimate. So here we go. There's another area. This is a really old state. I mean, when the British colonial is there, before is all this tea state implemented. It's all about the rainforest. It's all about the rainforest. Just imagine, without having this tea state, it's all about covered with trees and everything. I can show you the upper side of the Haputale mountain. You can see, it's all about the trees, like Singaraja. But after that, British has decided to cut all the trees and plant the tea. It's actually good for the economy because we have become a prime tea exporter, but I think we lost a beautiful environment because of that. So it's long ago, we don't know exactly, but you can see from the trees, which is upper side of the Haputale mountain. It is above the tea state. Just imagine, it's all about a lovely forest. tropical forest. So yeah, those are some of the few snapshots about our journey today. Going to be really exciting. We are planning to further visit different areas in Haputale. There are so many secret places. I used to travel a lot during my childhood because this is my hometown. So I know all the places apparently. But for my wife, so she's going to be really excited about this whole location and everything because she never visited here into this extent. So I suggest you always wear a mask. Even though this location we don't have any human being around us, we are wearing our mask, right? So be precautions and get vaccinated and make sure you visit this location be carefully and enjoy the environment. See you soon for today. Bye. Okay guys, we complete our journey. Always wear a mask and use sanitizer every time you come to outside place. So this is a really very small coffee shop, I would say, not a coffee shop, it's a tea shop. It belongs to Caliber State. So what you are seeing here is the Caliber State. They are doing the production of all the tea. This is small, very small tea shop. I hope some of you have visited there, but I believe most of them are not visited this location. So you should come there, have a nice cup of tea, maybe nice cup of cake. They are really good at making foods and tea. So we are making small rest here after our journey, having lovely tea and some sweets. So here you see the production of the Caliber State factory and the tea state, and now the clouds are coming. It's coming from there. I believe another 1 or 2 hours of time it's going to be completely dark and the cold temperature also going to be further drop, probably around 18 Celsius, and it's going to be rain after 1 o'clock. So here we go. So today we are coming to the end of our session. We will meet you again with another location, another secret location in Haputale very soon. See you again.